is one of the fastest growing market for any IT products. That includes the peripheral products like printers as well actually. As we are already seeing in the last 2 to 3 years, Epson has been growing strongly both in the home segment as well as in the corporate segment. And the growth has been in the range of close to 30% in the last 2 to 3 years, which we are very optimistic can even further grow in the coming 2 to 3 years as the development and the IT penetration, which is now going further into tier 2, tier 3, or even tier 4 cities. That's one of the areas where Epson is also focusing to get and cash in maximum advantage actually. See, as I said, there is a huge market expansion that is happening. This product is going to bring lot many more customer who are hesitant to print at home or print at office because of maybe cost consciousness actually. Are going to now welcome this product and start using printers actually. Today, if you look at India, typically at home, for example, there is a lot of printing needs that is there actually. Whether to print a railway ticket, whether to print a air ticket, or a housewife wanting to print a recipe, students who want to actually print their worksheets, which is today increasing more and more actually. So all these things is now not only that is affordable, but is also I can say that made much more easy for lot many homes to afford. Same way at office today, they don't need to hesitate before giving a print. Should I give it in color? Because the cost of color printing, as I said, is going to be just 20 paise. That means your office documentation presentation is going to be much more presentable and much more meaningful also for the management to take these type of printouts even in a color actually. So in the sense, we are not talking about this product pitched against a competition A, competition B. Rather, this is going to create a new market by itself, bring in lot many more customers to print, and thereby consolidate the position of Epson in the printing market as such. Because these products are mass products, typically actually the go-to-market strategy for us includes both the ATL, above the line communication, which includes advertising in press, and for the first time Epson will be seen on television as well actually, which you will see very shortly. Epson will be very vibrantly present in the television commercials as well. Along with that, we are having a lot of BTL, or the below the line activity, which is like we will be doing a lot of activation at the channel partners across India actually, which includes the road shows, demo, and much more activity to drive the channel to successfully position this product, and wherever customer goes, they will be able to see this product. So it's a combination of both ATL as well as the BTL activities which we have planned. Epson has been traditionally dependent on the IT channel partners actually. Even today, more than 90% of our sales comes from the traditional IT partners actually. In the recent times, the modern trade has slowly started positioning itself actually. But we firmly believe that in markets like India, it will be a combination of both the traditional channel and the modern trade, which will survive as a model. So we will be driving both the traditional as well as the modern channel actually. So the customer has the choice to choose between where they want to buy. Epson, if you look at, we have product categories divided very firmly into what we call as a business product category and the consumer product category. So the business product category are positioned for the typical SMEs to bigger large corporates. And what we do in turn is that we don't have a standard product and say that this can be used across all corporates actually. We have certain kind of products. For example, we have a ME series. When we talk of ME series, it's a maximum economy series actually. Then we have the K series, which is a exclusive mono printing modules actually. So these are the products typically targeted for the small and medium enterprises actually. and we engage a lot of SIs or the system integrators who work closely with this small and medium channels. It's not just the printing solution. Of course, Epson is the world's number one in terms of the projectors as well, actually. So we have solutions in the entire digital imaging vertical to be offered to the small and medium enterprises. We conducted, in fact, last year, a dedicated program for this small and medium enterprises like N Solution program, actually. We will continue that in this year as well, actually. So our efforts towards the SME channel as well as the SME customers are very focused, and it's a consistent and continued efforts that we will be putting. Epson is in fact been rated among the best in terms of service support that we have created. The infrastructure, whatever is there in place, is also envied even by our competition, actually. We set the industry standards rather, and we are always above the benchmark industry standards when it comes to service offering. We cover almost like more than 150 cities with our Epson authorized service centers, and we have close to 164 service centers operating across India, actually. So customer who buys Epson products are assured of quality service wherever they are, actually. And most of our products, we provide what is known as on-site support. That means customer need not have to carry the product to the service center. Rather, our service engineers will go and reach to the customers, actually. Epson is always known as an innovator, a technology-based company, actually. So there is a lot in store that customers or Epson partners can expect from Epson, actually. Some of which I cannot actually divulge at this point of time, but there are exciting products, new technologies and features that nobody could have even imagined or getting incorporated in our products. It's not only the existing products getting upgraded, but also newer products in the digital imaging zone, which Epson will be very much releasing into the market in coming years, actually. So exciting times ahead for the customers as well as to our partners. What today we are launching in India is one of the products which is designed for markets like India. This is going to be a path-breaking product, a revolutionary product in itself, which is going to redefine the way people look at any printing solution today. Why I'm saying path-breaking and revolutionary? Because today this product is going to bust the myth that having a printer at home and printing at home is a costly affair, or if an organization is looking at cutting printing cost, this is the best solution they can look into, actually. When I talk of cost, straight away, two cost which I would like to share is, you can't imagine that you can print a mono document, A4 document at as low as just 10 paise is the ink cost for printing an A4 mono document, and just 20 paise is the cost you spend to print a A4 color document. So this is something which no other solution that is available currently can match what Epson is able to match, including the non-genuine inks or the refilled inks or the even refilled toners or whatever the non-genuine market players also could not able to break into. Epson as a original equipment manufacturer today is able to do that successfully. The key thing which I wanted to add is this L series printers, what we call. We have launched three types of printers: L100, L200 and L800, actually. L100 is a single function printer, L200 is a multifunction printer, and L800 is a dedicated photo printer. This L series is going to redefine the way customers look at printing cost, actually. All barriers in terms of cost has been completely taken out by this offering, what Epson is offering to the market. At the same time, while offering such a low cost, the economics has been worked out to reach it to the lowest base in the Indian customers. At the same time, the quality and the safety features has not been compromised. That's the hallmark of this entire L series products.